Hi, we're the community managers at the Digital Future Lab. I'm Samantha.
I'm Jackie.
I'm Jesus.
And today we're going to give you a tour of the lab today.
Hey, welcome. We're at the DFL front door. Need a key card to get in. And come on in. Yeah, right here we have our little concession stands, plates, water, cups, coffee machine, other foodstuffs, forks, knives. Down here. Then slideshow of our game. This is some seed artwork. It's the game we're working on right now. And over here we'll move on to the office.
Now we're at the offices. This is Ina Braxton's office. She is assistant director of the Digital Future Lab. So this is Ina right there to get a visual. She's not here right now, but she rocks the Digital Future Lab. She was named ASUWB Staff of the Year in 2015 and through 16. And she has all her artsy creations here that we have the pleasure of looking at every day. So we're gonna go on into her office. There's a lot of random like tech video equipment, sometimes just in random places. So she has all of her tasks here. She's super organized with her sticky notes and the to-do list. And a thing about Ina, she loves unicorns, so it's a common theme here. We've got the unicorn poster up there. We got her unicorn fuzzy slippers that I wish I had. And where else is there unicorn stuff? There's no other stuff. Yeah, and then her whole calendar. Ina rocks it all, so she has all of the info everywhere. And now we'll leave the office. So before we go over there, we have our storage space here. We keep a lot of our convention supplies in here, like our tablecloths. We have different cords and extra cables that we don't need right now. We have posters and business cards, but normally this gets closed until we are going to a convention. We'll keep on walking over to Nathan's office. And we are here. Nathan is the art director.
Oh, why hello. I wasn't expecting anyone. Hi, I'm Nate. I'm the art director. I've kind of commandeered this office, so, it's pretty barren, pretty empty, pretty plain. We got some cool stuff. It's my little workstation. I got this Excel spreadsheet that I, track all of our tasks and progress and make sure, wheels are moving. I got these cool sticky notes. I don't know where they came from, but they were just here. And so I just scribble random nonsense on them so people think I'm actually working. It works out well. I got this cool TV, not hooked up into anything. It's just mounted there. I don't know why it's here. It's never been on all the years I've been working here. That's new. That's just a big hole in the ceiling. Never noticed that before. I got this nail. I don't know where that came from, but I stare at it from time to time. It's pretty cool. And then this filthy couch is what the interns sleep on whenever I leave. And I'll come in here and some vagabond will just be like chilling on the couch. And I gotta use this lamp. I just, you just click that a bunch and it just wakes them right up and they scamper off. So that's my day to day.
All right, nice.
And we also have the comfy beanbag.
Hi.
Jackie representing.
Didn't see you there. Cool. So now that we had a tour of Nathan's office, I'm going to show you the open space here. Here we have a lot of the interns working on their different projects. Here's Luke working on some seed stuff. Say hi, Luke.
Hello, Luke.
And then moving on, here you can see the QAs hard at work here. Say hello, QAs.
Hey.
The cool thing is that we get to choose our own music, and so we have a Spotify playlist in which interns can choose what music they want to work to. We also have computers for interns to use, downloaded with all the software that would help them when they're working on seed.
Oh, never mind. It's just like
Gio. Hello, Gio.
What's up? Hello.
Hello, everyone. They're all hard at work.
All hard at work. Alright, so thank you so much for stopping by our office. Like and subscribe.